1960. Archbishop Hubert de Rosario was known as the pioneering prelate in northeastern India. He was a leading missionary and a benevolent pastor. He died on August 30th, 1994, leaving behind a legacy of service. Archbishop de Rosario was born on 21st February 1919 in Calicut, Kerala state. He left Calicut in 1936 to join the Salesians. Ordained a priest in 1947, he worked in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra states and was the rector of Don Bosco High School, Bombay from 1958 to 1964. As a rector, he did not take long to win admirers and friends. Through his affability, concern, and availability, he guided educators and students under his care. We begin this episode with a tribute to Father Hubert from Sir Devendra Sharma, an ex-teacher of Don Bosco High School, Matunga, who experienced firsthand Father Hubert's bounty of goodness and love.
Just the one thing that I still remember at the age of 87, the advice that our principal Rosario gave me when I was interviewed with him. He interviewed and said, "Sharma, if you want to be a successful teacher, follow two rules." I was very curious to know, and looking at him, and he said very soberly and peacefully, "First, love your students. And second, keep them away at an arm's length. Keep them away. Keep them away, but only at an arm's length." I just bowed down to him in my mind, even physically, and took these sentences to my heart. They are still there. If I am given a chance to teach after 87, I will practice them again.
Don Bosco Matunga flourished under his leadership, and the activities in and around the campus grew and diversified. For the first time in the chronicles, we have a recorded memoir of Diwali celebration and the Holy Week services. A new school bus was blessed. Notice the display of trophies as in a group photograph with the titles to sum up the sports accolades for the year. And then there were the other activities for the year that will help us relive the memories of yesteryears.